Hi, good evening. Uh, Let me introduce myself first. Myself Shahbaz. I'm from Delhi, born and brought up at Delhi. My education qualification is MBA graduate. Uh, my professional exposure is around 12 years, but mainly I serve uh, telecom sector, which is in around 8 years. So I serve most renowned company like Bharti Airtel, Tata Teleservices, Vodafone. So today I got opportunity to discuss about internet lease line. So before starting about internet lease line, so first of all I just wanted to give a small brief about line communication connectivity. So what is communication connectivity? Line is a kind of bridge from A to B. There is a path, there is a road, people travel. So here the data travel, communications travel. Similarly, there is A and B connectivity. So we can connect multiple, but we are just giving a small brief. Connectivity. Connectivity means communication. Communication means line. So similar here, internet lease line. So there is a multiple line. Internet lease line, LL lease line. We also call P2P line, point to point connectivity, like ATM and bank. In ATM we can't serve internet, Gmail, Google's, but connectivities are there, right? That is called P2P connectivity, point to point connectivity. Then third, MPLS line, multiple protocol labeling switch, is a highly secured network. It's also internet lease line, part of lease line, but it's a highly secured, cost effective, some more expensive. Then we have RF, radio frequency line. Then we have internet mobile, it's also internet connectivity through mobile network. Then broadband, like currently I'm using broadband, it's a very minimal cost. So now today we have agenda to discuss about internet lease lines, so we'll go on that. So what is internet lease line? Normal layman term we call internet lease line is a one is to one ratio dedicated line with symmetrical bandwidth. I use three words: one is to one ratio, dedicated, symmetrical, bandwidth. So, what is one is to one? Like you and me, operator to organization, company, purchaser, buyer. So, if they committed 10 mbps speed, it means 10 mbps speeds only for you, only for an organizations who bought. So that is called 1 is to 1, no other, no 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4, no, 1 is to 1, 1 to 1. That is called 1 is to 1 ratio. Now the second term I use dedicated for only single. Then I use a term symmetrical bandwidth. Symmetrical means uploading and downloading. If I will upload 10 mbps commitment speed, means uploading will be 10 mbps, and even parallel downloading will be 10 mbps. That is called symmetrical. Bandwidth means speed, 10 mbps, 100 mbps. What is the commitment? That bandwidth we will get it, that speed we will get it. Now the concept of internet lease line, mainly they use for organization, all organization. If the big organization, they are liable to afford the cost, they can use internet lease line. Is comparisons between between broadband is a different. Here is a different. Internet lease line means dedicated line for an organization and a single person who has taken. Similarly here broadband, it's like a one line, one area will get connect, there is speed will get variation, but here speed will get a constant. Now the more means need, what actually we need, what actually we get in internet. First of all, in internet we decide media. First things, media. What media we will use? Media means copper, fiber, RF, OHF. Copper means maximum we can give 20 Mbps speeds, is all technology. Fiber, most reliable, and nowadays we use fiber optics fiber, OFC, optical fiber cable. So as much as speeds we need, we can get it through OFC. That's media. Then RF, radio frequencies. Suppose there is a no feasibility. Suppose some area is there is a no feasibility. So there we can connect through RF, radio frequency. Suppose company organization, there is a rooftop, we will put a small tower, a small antenna, and we will connect through the radio, means mobile tower. It's mainly as per my experience. Uh, its downtime is high, okay, but in some area it is not it's unlicensed band, so we get a lot of approval. Then OHF, overhead cable, we see a lot of area like Spectra and all, they give Ticona, they give through overhead cable. So if suppose any high winds, high ran, so it will get down, link will get down. But in OFC, never. It's a commitment, means commitments very very less chances. We give SLA 98.8, 99.9, 99.5. Different operator they give SLA, service lease agreement, that is called SLA commitment. So here we first what we decide, media, which media. So suppose for discussion parts we will consider it as a media, fiber. Now the second what we take, router. Router means modem, means from where connectivity sources, modem. Then we decide bandwidth, how much bandwidth we want. So here for discussions we will consider as 100 mbps speed bandwidth. Then company device means modem. Modem means server, company server, where we will connect. What happened mainly, if suppose any organizations taken a connections 100 mbps OFC bandwidth, so the operator will give commitment till the company server. We will connect the company server room, we will show the speeds, and we will get the mail approval. So that is called commitment till the server room, 100 mbps speed. So we need first what, first we need media, we decided. Then we decided uh, uh, router. Then we have decided bandwidth. Then we have decided company server. Then final, which is the most important things, are IP, IP4 or IP6. IP is a different topic, is a different topic we can't discuss here in detail, but we are just giving a small example. IP4 and IP 6. IP4 is a 32 bits and IP6 is 128 bits. Mainly the people prefer IP4. And IP, we will give IP, network IP, to the organizations. So when we sell, when we discuss internet lease lines, so there we discuss media, there we discuss about modem, router, we discuss about means modem, we give managed service and unmanaged service. Unmanaged means company will buy, buyer will buy the modem, and if managed service they will take, we will give them router. Then third things we discuss about bandwidth speeds. Then we discuss about customer device, means server. Then final, IP. Now here there is an architect, because just small architect we are giving, how we design internet lease line, how we design. Mainly what happened, I will give here just a small example. Suppose there is A and B. Suppose Airtel office Gurgaon, and Airtel office, the Bessery, Bangalore. There is a internet lease line connection they want. So in Gurgaon Airtel office, outside you will see there is a pop off. There's a pop. Pop means OFC, optical fiber cable line in downside. Okay, so from that pop to modem, that is called mux, mux. From mux to modem, from modem to one pipe will come to the Airtel office, main office. Maybe they need 100 mbps speeds, so one pipe will come, 100 mbps speeds pipes will come to the company server, that is also called a modem. So from OFC cable, mux, then modem, company modem. From company modem to, they will decide, company IT people will, because see, we give commitment to the server 100 mbps speeds. What happened, mainly organization, they decide, they scattered their speeds. So suppose they will 10 mbps, they will divide for IP camera, 10 mbps they will divide for audio video conferencing, 50 mbps they will divide for employee uses. So they decide, we don't bother about that. So this is the what we discuss from OFC Mercs server. Pipe will come to the server, company server will design, they will be scattered. Similarly, same process to Bangalore location. OFC, our AFC, Delhi OFC is connected to the Bangalore OFC. Okay, so Bangalore OFC to Mercs, Mercs to modem, modem to company server. So this process communications and architect work in internet lease line. So now, what is advantage and disadvantage? We have multiple advantage, we have minimal disadvantage. Advantage, we have a trust, reliable, most reliable connection. We can trust. It's a highly secure network. We can trust. It's a more reliable. Second things is a very fast speeds, symmetrical bandwidth and fast speed. Third, slow, means in a peak hour it will not go for slow. And the final most important, customer support. Mainly they prefer as a customer support. Customer support, what happen if suppose they have taken managed service. So suppose we have taken connection from Bharti Airtel and we have considered as a managed service. So what happened? So company operator knock team, engineer knock team will surveillance if suppose an organization uh, link is down. So immediately they will operator will get a alert, means knock team will get a alert, and immediately he will raise a SR, service request, and the coordinator will contact to the operator, your link is down, what is the reason, is power cut, any issues? So they will immediately rectify. So customer support is highly effective in internet release line. Now disadvantage is expensive, and physical installations complexity, is a physical installations is a complexity, and it's take longer time, minimum 1 week, maximum 1 month. So this disadvantage is not highly effective, because if we will pay more, we will get a more good service and good things. Now installation time is more, of course, because it's a physical installation is complexity. So these are the internet lease line, and we discuss about who use, why we use. So hope so. This is good enough about internet lease line, and with if anything else we will discuss. So till here what we know we have discussed. So hope so you like it, and thank you very much.